Alright, today we're going to make a simple glove organizer for the garage out of just a board, some binder clips, and then some screws to hold the binder clips onto the board. I've already measured this, it's about 24 inches wide. I'm going to stagger mine, one at the top, one at the bottom, alternating. And I've already measured this out. They're going to be about 4 inches apart for the screws, and then we're going to go a ½ inch from the edge of the board on each side, just to make sure there's enough room there and we don't split any of the board off. So I'm going to lay this out and start drilling some holes. Alright, so I got all the holes drilled. Now all we have to do is put our screws in and leave enough sticking out for the clip to hang on. So I will get started on that. Alright, so I've got OSB on my walls in the garage, so I really don't need to grab any studs when I put this up. I'm going to anyways, just because that's what I normally try to do, just in case. So I'm going to get this leveled up, drill some holes, and get it mounted to the wall. Alright, so I got it mounted up on the wall. As you can see, these do overlap a little bit, but they do still hang on there very good. And normally this is the pair that I use for most things. This big thick pair I use for stick welding or plasma cutting. These are my TIG gloves. I don't TIG that often. And then I use these for MIG and just prepping metal, cutting, that sort of thing. So I use these definitely far more than any of the other ones. You could definitely go ahead and paint this and finish this board if you wanted to. Since mine's going in the garage, I didn't really want to take the time to do all that. I just needed a safe place to put gloves where the dogs won't grab them. I used to keep them on my welding cart, and the dogs would come up and grab one when I wasn't looking and run around the yard with it, so I had to come up with a quick and easy solution. So real quick, I just wanted to give credit to the binder clip idea for holding gloves. I saw a video by Dave Worth, I believe is how you pronounce it. He made a safety glasses rack that had a bungee cord, and then he also made a glove organizer using binder clips. And his was held on with baling wire through 2 holes, so the clips could not come off the holder. I wanted mine to be removable, that's why I used the screws. For me, where I had to put this, there is metal and wood stored along this wall. So just in case it got stacked up in front of this rack, I wanted to be able to just pull the gloves down and be able to clip them and unclip them versus trying to lean over anything I might have stacked here at the time. The only downside of the screws is if you get a lot of wind, they may blow off the screws. However, in my garage I have a movable divider that separates my workshop area from the garage door, so I don't get any wind along this wall where it'll be an issue. But yeah, I just wanted to give credit to the original idea and then explain a little bit about why I didn't use the baling wire and went with just the simple screws instead.